Mastering data backup. Our data backup strategy is only as strong as its ability to ensure operational excellence in the face of disaster. What metrics or key performance indicators should we use to measure the success of our data backup strategy, ensuring that our organization can effectively recover from data losses or system failures and maintain operational excellence? To ensure the success of a data backup strategy and maintain operational excellence, it is crucial to establish a set of metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, that provide insights into the effectiveness of the backup and recovery processes. The following metrics and KPIs should be used to measure the success of a data backup strategy. 1. Backup success rate. This metric measures the percentage of successful backups out of the total number of attempted backups. A high success rate indicates that the backup process is reliable and efficient. Target, greater than or equal to 99%. 2. Backup window. This metric measures the time it takes to complete a backup. A shorter backup window ensures that the backup process does not interfere with business operations. Target, less than or equal to 4 hours. 3. Recovery time objective, RTO. This metric measures the time it takes to recover data and restore system functionality after a failure. A shorter RTO ensures that the organization can quickly recover from data losses or system failures. Target, less than or equal to 2 hours. 4. Recovery point objective, RPO. This metric measures the maximum acceptable data loss in the event of a failure. A shorter RPO ensures that minimal data is lost in the event of a failure. Target, less than or equal to 1 hour. 5. Data integrity. This metric measures the accuracy and completeness of restored data. High data integrity ensures that restored data is accurate and complete. Target, greater than or equal to 99%. 6. Frequency of backup verification. This metric measures how often backup data is verified for integrity and restorability. Regular verification ensures that backups are reliable and can be restored in case of a failure. Target, greater than or equal to weekly. 7. Mean time between failures, MTBF. This metric measures the average time between failures of the backup system. A higher MTBF indicates a more reliable backup system. Target, greater than or equal to 6 months. 8. Mean time to restore, MTTR. This metric measures the average time it takes to restore data and system functionality after a failure. A shorter MTTR ensures that the organization can quickly recover from data losses or system failures. Target, less than or equal to 30 minutes. 9. Backup storage capacity utilization. This metric measures the percentage of used storage capacity. Effective capacity planning ensures that sufficient storage is available to meet growing data demands. Target, less than or equal to 80%. 10. Cost per gigabyte of stored data. This metric measures the cost of storing 1 gigabyte of data. Effective cost management ensures that the organization is not overspending on data storage. Target, less than or equal to SH/05 per gigabyte. 11. User satisfaction. This metric measures the level of user satisfaction with the backup and recovery processes. High user satisfaction ensures that the backup strategy meets business needs. Target, greater than or equal to 90%. 12. Compliance and audit readiness. This metric measures the organization's readiness for audits and compliance with regulatory requirements. Effective compliance ensures that the organization avoids penalties and fines. Target, greater than or equal to 95%. By tracking and analyzing these metrics and KPIs, organizations can measure the success of their data backup strategy, identify areas for improvement, and maintain operational excellence in data management and recovery.